Hey guys, it's Bill from Linden, Tennessee. This video, just going to be a quick one, but it's an important one. It's one that I never seem to learn. It's a little lesson. This lesson is called warp. So, I'm making my battery boxes. This is the one for the for where the gas tank was. It's going to have 4 modules in it. And I had fabbed up all these little mounts and got the frame all ready and put the mounts on the frame and everything. Had all exactly where I wanted, so I was going to finish welding everything. And then I started doing it without securing all the metal down. And as you can see, you end up with all this warp. This is kind of, if this was inside, it'd just be cosmetically kind of ugly. But since this is outside, I sort of want this to be tight. I may even put some RTV behind it on final assembly. I don't know. But I don't want it to leak. I don't want any elements to get in there, dust, and certainly not water. But, so instead of finishing this box up and welding everything and painting everything and letting it sit and dry and be done with it, I'm spending the next hour or so messing it up. So, just keep that in mind. How do you prevent that? It's hard. It's real hard. And basically what I should have done was I should have had this top part in and had it bolted down and had it sort of as it was going to be, and then welded all the pieces, and that kind of makes the metal hold itself from warping. But and then the other thing, instead of welding these all in, continuous welds, I should have done them in little sections, little half-inch sections, and then moved to the other one and kind of let the other one cool and, all that stuff. Anyway, I didn't, so this is what I'm dealing with now. Yeah, that's just life. So, wanted to do a little quick update and show you what I've been doing and some things you need to think about. Alrighty, we'll see you next time.